Hi. Welcome to David Wand Statistics Tutoring. I'm your tutor, David Wand, and in this short technical video, I'm going to explain to you some concepts regarding the analysis of variance. So if you take my tutoring program, I'm going to help you figure out when and how to calculate and interpret a one-way analysis of variance, or what's called ANOVA, to pass your statistics course. And the first thing I'm going to do in my tutoring program is help you understand when to use the analysis of variance. Because remember, you have over 25 formulas in your statistics course. So which formula do you use? When do you use ANOVA and when do you do not use ANOVA? Your professor may be cruel and unusual and may not tell you on a question, use analysis of variance in this question. They may just give you 4 columns of sales data between 4 different types of cereal: Nabisco shredded wheat, Quaker Oats porridge, Kellogg's cornflakes, and Nabisco Count Chocula, right? And you don't know. So they just want you to find out. So in my tutoring program, I'll help you figure out when you use analysis of variance, one-way analysis of variance, and what it means. So you'll not have to worry about memorization. There'll be no confusion because you'll know when to use which formula for which statistics problem, because I have a special formula sheet that'll help you go through that. And even if your professor requires them to use their formula sheet on your tests, my formula sheet that I'll give to you in my tutoring program will help you navigate their formula sheet. So I'll also help you calculate from scratch with a bag of numbers with a calculator like this, how to calculate a one-way analysis of variance. No software. But we can take that bag of numbers, and after you've cranked out your answer, we'll compare it against Excel software that we can enter together so you can see if you got the right answer. And we're also going to help you decide and develop your null and alternate hypotheses. I've already hinted at it in the example, which is there a statistically significant difference in sales between the 4 different types of cereals? That would be an example, right? One-way analysis of variance. So you have to make a decision. Is there, yes, a statistically significant difference in sales between the 4 cereals or not, right? I'll help you develop that and figure out, based on your calculations, whether you should reject the null and go with the alternate, that yes, there is a statistically significant difference in sales between the 4 cereals. And finally, help you answer the question on a test. Because after all these calculations on the test, they're going to ask you, is there a statistically significant difference between the 4 types of cereals when it comes to sales revenue, right? So that's really important. So if you want to sign up for my tutoring programs, I have 2. I have one that's 2 one-hour sessions per week over 12 weeks. That's 24 hours of tutoring. Or if you want to, after you failed your midterm, perhaps, and you're freaking out and you want to pass your final, I have the same program condensed into 12 hours, which you could do if you book all 12 hours with me over a week. You could get ready for the final exam for that. That's another option for you. So there's my email address there, my phone number. Feel free to contact me and book in either of those tutoring programs. Bye for now.